What is good, my YouTube peeps? Welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me. Just been working a lot. That's all I can really say. I'm not gonna sit here and give you this compelling story of why I haven't been pumping out any vlogs, but just know we definitely got vlogs coming up for sure. Even in the winter time, we're gonna be putting some work in for sure, and we're looking to be putting even more work next season. Hopefully, if everything goes right, we're looking to fully build the car next year. Those are the main plans and goals for the car next year. So, and we're definitely gonna document everything. Promise you guys. Shout out to all the new subscribers that have just joined. I went up in a lot of subscribers since the last vlog, so I really appreciate you guys. And shout out to everybody that's always interacting with me on Instagram too, that come from YouTube. If you guys have not followed my Instagram, here goes my Instagram here, and feel free to give me a follow, and I'm more active on there than YouTube. Unfortunately, YouTube just takes a lot of time, and sometimes I don't have time. But I also want to give a shout out to my team, Streets Unlimited. Shout out to my family, and shout out to Chameleon Tuning, Manny and Jermaine. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are always going far and beyond with my car and making sure that my car is running successfully. Shout out to Shad with his 2018 beautiful Type R. I totally want a Type R, I'm not even gonna lie, but I'm very happy with the Evo as we speak, so it's all good, and we're gonna keep the Evo. So if anything, my lady is gonna get the Evo and I'll get something else. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out a lot. I'm very happy with the followers I got now. I could have just imagined with even more followers or more subscribers. But comment. I'll definitely interact with you guys. And shout out to everybody that's been following me on Instagram as well. So without further ado, enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to hit that notification button. I will be posting up some more vlogs. We got some sick footage of our last and only Streets Unlimited rally number 4. That's our last rally for the year, and we actually went to Hawk's Nest, and I wasn't able to make a normal vlog where I'm speaking, only because it was way too windy and it was cold that day. So but we got some sick footage, and we got some sick drone footage too. So if you guys don't know anything about Hawk's Nest, it's sick. I mean, just look at the pictures, peep. But anyways, without further ado, please enjoy the vlog. Please subscribe. Please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Peace. Alright, so time to give you guys a little update. We are getting ready to tune. We just installed the injectors. We couldn't install the injectors on the way here because the car was running way too rich. So we are using dynamic 1050 injectors. About to get ready. Ready for this?
I really am. I cannot wait.
Ready for this sprint?
Hell yeah.
Yo, shout out to Sprint, my man came all the way from the Bronx. You guys already seen his whip. But yeah, we're getting ready for this dyno thing over here. Alright peeps, so fast forward, car is tuned, she's running very well. As you can see, you got the gauge pods up here, got the oil pressure gauge, E85 gauge from Innovative Performance, and AEM failsafe that has boost and also AFR. So she's running really well. We made 372 horsepower, and that's on a dyno jet, and 345 torque, which is very safe, a very safe tune. I noticed that there's a lot of guys with bolt-ons that they're trying to push the max that they can out of their stock little turbo. I mean, at that point, you know, once you're up in 400 horses, you're pushing steam out of that turbo. So I'm very happy with the tune that Manny did at Chameleon Tuning. And right now, it's Monday, and we are going to join our Monday by taking some pulls with my buddy. He actually has a brand new Type R. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's been everywhere, and you know, you guys got to see some dyno pulls. So far she's driving awesome. Haven't had any hiccups. I would say the second day of after the tune, I had to go back because I was having some idling issues. I do have 1050 ID injectors from Dynamic, and my tuner did tell me that, you know, we are going to be having, you know, they're finicky, so he has to mess with them, you know, make sure that the car is running right. But as you can see, there is no check engine lights, you know, and she's running awesome. So yeah, and we're gonna go take some pulls in Mexico. So we're gonna go have fun, and you know, if you go to Mexico, make sure there's nobody around, and just try to be safe and responsible. But anyways, enjoy it, and I'll holler at you guys later. So we totally made it to our first waypoint. I'm gonna introduce you guys to Shad. Shad, say what up to the YouTubers. This is his beautiful, what is it, 2018, right? 2018 Type R. Shit's gorgeous. I'm not gonna lie, if it wasn't for the Evo, I totally would have copped one of these, but I got impatient and I did get the Evo. So, but yeah, I'm still a Honda fan, so this thing is gorgeous. So yeah, we're about to go take some pulls, have some fun, you know. And what do you got done so far, Shad? To the
just a tune and a downpipe.
Yep, tune, downpipe, and from Anacool, right? From Anacool, yeah. Nice. What kind of from Anacool you have on there?
PRL.
Gorgeous, man.